Hi, my name is Jason Engel. I will be covering over Amazon Echo. The Amazon Echo is a great fit for people that are tech savvy and is into the voice control that Echo offers. It continues to expand its music, smart home, and digital assistant abilities. It's a wireless speaker first, but capable of much more. Using nothing but the sound of your voice, you can play music, search the web, create to-do and shopping lists. Shopping online, get instant weather reports, and control popular smart home products all while your smartphone stays in your pocket. First, the step one, you need to download the app. The free Alexa app is a must-have and you're the owner of an Amazon Echo. You'll need it to get your Echo device set up. Download it on your smartphone or tablet and simply open up the app store that comes with your device and search Amazon Alexa app. Here on my phone, I got a Android app, so I searched it on Play Store and I downloaded it already. And it's this uh, Alexa app right there. And when you click on it, it opens up and you need to create a login and an account to access your Alexa. And you need to have an Alexa. I got one right here. Take it all the case. Got it right here. So you need to plug in the Alexa. Uh, Step two. This is probably the easiest step in the whole setup process, as Echo doesn't require any batteries in order to function. Simply plug in the included power adapter directly into the Echo and then hook it up to a power outlet. When the light ring turns blue, that means the power is connected. Then wait for it to turn on. Wait till it turns orange, as this is a sign that Alexa is preparing to greet you. When that is done, you'll hear Alexa's voice telling you the device is ready to set up. Step 3. Next, you'll need to connect your Echo device to your home Wi-Fi network. The latest versions of Echo should guide you through this process. However, if you get stuck, simply open up the Alexa app and search through the available networks until you find yours. If you have multiple Echo devices, make sure you go to the Alexa devices in the main menu and choose the right device. Under the wireless heading, you should be able to see the state of the Wi-Fi network connection. Once you're connected, you have the option of saving your Wi-Fi password to Amazon, which makes it easier to connect to smart home devices or set up a new Alexa device on the same network. Should you purchase should you decide to purchase more Echoes for other rooms, you also have the choice of connecting your Echo to a public network, although the password won't be saved on Amazon. Step 4. Start talking to the Alexa. So you plugged everything in, Wi-Fi is connected. Now this is where you start working with it. To get started, say the wake up word, which by default is Alexa. But maybe there's already a human Alexa in the house and you want to change the wake up word to something else. Simply tell the Echo, Alexa, change the wake up word. You can also change the wake up word manually by opening up the Alexa app, tapping help and feedback, and selecting change the wake up word. You are able to use a creative mind and change it to anything you really want it to be. And in my case, I don't have my Alexa plugged in right now, so nothing's happening right now. And step 5, start using your Echo. Congratulations, your Amazon Echo is all set up and ready to be used in your day-to-day life. To make sure everything's working properly, you can conduct a simple test by trying a few basic commands. For example, say wake up word and hello. If your Echo's properly set up, Alexa should respond with a simple hello in return, but the Echo can be much more than greeting you. In Alexa app menu, you will see two sections called Skills and Games and Things to Try. These both are excellent ways to see what Alexa is capable of. Skills, in particular, can help you customize Alexa by giving her certain abilities. Think of them as mini apps from many different creators that you can use for entertainment, organizations, news, and much more. Things you're able to do. You can start using your Echo device to make to-do lists, find out the weather, check on traffic conditions, call your friends, send text messages to your family, stream podcasts, or connect smart home devices. OX has thousands of essentials and not so essential things can be added to them. And thank you for listening to me how to set up your Amazon Echo. And hopefully you enjoyed this and everything is working properly and you're able to have some fun with the Alexa and make sure hopefully it helps you in your day-to-day life. So thank you very much. See ya. Bye.